All right, here we go. Question number 25 from our 1316 homework number 1 in MyLab Math. They have given us the value of sine of theta. They tell us that theta is in quadrant 2, and they want us to find the exact value of all of the remaining trig functions, okay? So let's take what they've given us and put it into perspective here. So theta being in quadrant 2 means that if I draw a coordinate system and construct a right triangle from the origin out into quadrant 2, so this would be our angle here, theta, throwing us over into quadrant 2, we can see that the sine, which is y over r, the y value is 4, and the radius is 5. Those are the pieces that are given. Sine theta is 4 over 5. So y is 4 and r is 5. Now, what I need to know is x. I don't know what the x value is. Is there any way to find the missing side of a right triangle? Absolutely. That's where Pythagorean Theorem comes in, okay? So we're looking for x. That's going to be x squared. B is y. That's going to be 4 squared. And c is the hypotenuse, or the radius, which is going to be 5 squared. And then we just need to solve for x. So taking the 4 squared to the other side is going to make that a minus 4 squared. And that's going to be 25 minus 16, which is 9. Taking the square root of both sides, we can see that x is 3. And one thing I need to point out is that we are in the second quadrant, okay? So notice that this x value, since it's going in the negative x direction, is actually going to be -3. That's important to remember that when you go to set up your trig ratios, okay? So now we have all of the information we need to find all of the trig ratios. We know x, we know y, and we know the radius. So the cosecant is probably the easiest piece to get. The cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so that's going to be 5 over 4. Cosine is x over r, which is going to be -3 over 5. And the secant is the reciprocal, which is -5 over 3. Tangent is y over x. That's going to be 4 over -3. And the cotangent is the reciprocal. And we're done. Super easy. With the use of the Pythagorean Theorem, knowing we're in quadrant 2, super easy. All right, so let's see if we're right. Cosine, -3/5. Tangent, -3/4. And if you're wondering, does it matter where I put the negative? The answer is no. As long as you have one negative sign, it doesn't matter where it goes. What did I do? Tangent is, I put it in upside down. Good grief. Not paying attention. -4 over 3. Cotangent, -3 over 4. Secant, -5 over 3. And cosecant is 5/4, +5/4. And that's it. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.